2026, mas maraming magiging spiritually awakened. And yung spiritual awakening nila is through themselves. So, kung dati marami mga spiritual practitioners, may ganyan, kung ano-ano mga ino-offer nila, and the masses or yung community, yung collective, lumalapit sa mga spiritual practitioners for guidance or for anything na tutulong sa kanila for their spiritual practice or for their own needs. Let's say, merong mga lumalapit sa mga witches para magpagawa ng mga potions or mga rituals, ganyan. Or merong mga lumalapit sa mga tarot readers for guidance and astrologers for predictions and timing or to get to know their blueprint. Pero ngayong 2026 moving forward, people are going to be more curious about themselves to the point na they don't need a middleman like yung mga spiritual practitioners na to guide them because sila mismo yung magga-guide sa sarili nila through AI and through their own way of learning. So, ang mangyayari nito, yung mga tools na ginagamit ng mga spiritual practitioners, like, for example, tarot, natal charts, or mga herbs, it is going to be accessible sa mga masses, sa collective. And sila mismo yung gagawa nun para sa kanila na they don't need to ask for services anymore because they can do it on their own. But I'm not saying na completely mawawala yon. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao sabay-sabay mag-awaken. Okay? Merong batches. So may mga batches na alam na nila to take care of themselves and take care of their needs. And next batch na naman, so yung mga bago, sila yung maghahanap muna ng guidance, ng tulong, support, assistance from the spiritual practitioners, yung mga light workers like me. Yun ang important role ng AI ngayon. Kasi napakadaming information na pwedeng makuha sa AI na makakatulong para sa iyong sariling personal development, sa iyong spiritual journey, sa iyong spiritual awakening. So if you are a spiritual practitioner na, hindi mo gusto yung AI, wag naman. Kasi maganda yung AI eh. Marami siyang information na magiging helpful rin sa'yo as a spiritual practitioner to help yourself as well, to grow. Kasi wala namang master dito eh. We are all in our own journey. And walang ranking na ito, si ganito, magaling to, expert to. Nobody can be a master in any field kasi there is always a loophole. Laging meron niyang room for improvement. And we constantly learn. Everything evolves. Yung alam mo noon, 5 years ago, ay meron ng ibang interpretation ngayon at meron ng mga nadagdag. So if you are in this journey na, you are on your spiritual awakening, ito na yung time na you will not seek for a middleman or the spiritual practitioner anymore because you will choose to connect directly from the source. Yung mga divination tools ngayon ay magiging parang mga weather app. So example, kailangan mo ng mga lucky charms, rituals. So hindi mo na yan bibilhin or ipapagawa sa mga practitioner like mga witches. Ikaw na mismo ang gagawa niyan, bibili niyan, at ikaw na ang maglalagay ng energy dyan, which is even better. Kung kailangan mo naman ng spiritual guidance, you will just get your own tarot cards para sa spiritual message for you and see the energies. If you want to get to know yourself deeply on a more technical level at dinagdagan ng math and science and spiritual energy, you will learn astrology. You will pull up your chart and analyze everything. So, yung mga information na yan, nasa AI yan. So, that's how AI will help us, spiritual practitioners, and also yung mga nasa spiritual journey nila. I am not saying that AI is 100% accurate kasi hindi talaga accurate ang AI. It's just that you have the power to double check the information na pinipresent sa'yo ng AI, same as the information na pinipresent sa'yo ng mga middlemen or ng mga spiritual practitioners. At kung ikaw ay spiritual practitioner, huwag ka na makisali sa mga warfare. Just keep quiet na lang. Hayaan mo silang mag-away-away and do your own thing and master your own craft, okay? Because if you really believe in what you do and what you practice, you don't have to prove anything to anyone. Because your work and energy will speak for itself. You will attract your own people who needs your assistance and guidance.